Hey, this is Blaine from the Hortoccult. What's up, everybody? Today's Wednesday live stream. We're going to do another plant spotlight. Last week we did lemon cypress, which was fun. That was a good one. This one we're going to do the ZZ plant. What's up? This is one of my favorite little plants. I don't have a lot of super experience with a variety of indoor plants, but this little guy, I know well. So it's a tropical broadleaf evergreen. So it's zone if you wanted to plant it outside, have it outside. If you're a 9 or a 12, you have this guy outside. Um, and like I was saying, it is a broadleaf evergreen, so the leaves do not drop. It's pretty cool, kind of a different kind of plant. So in this one, they actually planted it. See those big guys right here? I wanted to show it on this guy because that's how they propagate them. So there's two ways to propagate these guys. One is they do develop a rhizome. So inside it's like a little potato or like a bulb or something. It's called a rhizome. So you split those out, and each individual one will create more rhizomes, and it'll spread that way. So you could take them apart and just plant the rhizomes separately from each other, and you get more plants. This way, they did this one. They took these leaves from a mother plant and cut them. So this is a cutting, and planted them. Dipped them in like rooting hormone, and then we get our little guy here. Um, the reason that it's good for beginners is one, it doesn't need a lot of light, and two, it doesn't need a lot of watering, so it can handle pretty sustained neglect. Well, yeah, you can water. It can handle water being watered once a month, and 3 to 4 weeks, one watering. So that's kind of cool. And then it doesn't need any special soil. It just needs well drained soil. So what I have here, I have my little pot that I got when I got the plant. So I guess I could plug. I went to Sun River Gardens. It's in Orem on State Street on 12th North. So this little guy I bought with a pot. I thought it was kind of cool because it's a cement pot. I've never had a cement pot. So here, and then this, I'm just gonna put it in there. I'm trying to decide. So one of the big things on it is it gets as wide as it gets tall, and it kind of tops out around 3 feet. So 3 feet tall, 3 feet wide. So if you have it in a pot, as you can see this pot, it's almost getting taller than it is wide. At that point, it needs to be repotted. And if you look at this pot, it's kind of twisted. It's not circular anymore. So it should be repotted. And this doesn't have a hole in the bottom, but I wasn't going to worry about it because it doesn't fill the whole thing, and I was just going to stick it in there like that. So you can totally do it like that. And then when you want to repot it, when it really needs to be repotted, I could take it out and put it in here and put like rocks on the bottom. As long as there's like a basin for the water to go, should be okay. And and then I can just switch my pot too. I don't need to keep it in this pot either. But the ZZ plant is a very good starter plant. Very tolerant of a lot of different stuff that we can throw at it. Put it in the corner, and it'll give you a nice green foliage all year round. So there you go, the ZZ plant. Go out and follow us on Facebook, Instagram. We started a hashtag, Plant on Babylon. So even if you're just gardening and you want to share, use our hashtag Plant on Babylon, and it'll show up in our group. So like us on those. Every Monday the podcast comes out. Every Wednesday we do this live stream, and go get it. We'll see you later. Bye.